Oh, hi, didn't see you there. We just finished building our nice new handrail and are excited for the new snowstorm of 2013. They say in this book that it's the worst since 1978. Ah, much better. I'm ready to shred the gnar.
It's like go down.
We're here at the Birch Hill neighborhood, or Birch Hill County backcountry. It's pretty nice, most people don't know about it. They only know Birch Hill as a train park, but, showing the backcountry. Nothing better.
Go down. You see me mashing up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. You see me mashing up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. Showing my power, no listen good, you can't escape it. Bring you to my world and hold you, see if you can take it. Don't you be afraid, I know you're strong enough to make it. Go, go, go. It's like go down. Go down.
Tell me when.
No.
Oh, hi, didn't see you there. This is going to be so much harder than I thought.
I know. That was completely bizarre.
Okay.
No, it's gotta have something to do with the game.
Oh.